Hello, this is Williams Crawford, passion for Porsche, and what we're showing you is this 2.4T from 1973. This is an original car. It's had an engine build, it's had carburettor build. What I'm showing you there is the original engine number, which matches the car. Note the fuse box cover's correct, even the little screw on the fuse box. The way the lights fit in, looking down the side, how sharp it is down the side. The Fuchs wheels have been refurbished. Now, we know a lot about this car. It's only a 3-owner car and it's got all its history with it. And it's in Dalmatian blue, or otherwise in the UK called Oxford blue. Now, it's not a new restoration. This car's been with the last owner for the best part of 20 years, and with the first owner, Eion Young, for 23 years. And it's really the Eion Young connection, I think, that has saved this car. But it's in a really, really nice, honest state. So just looking at the state of the chrome and the fit between the bumpers and the wings is all lovely. Underneath you can see that it's had its rebuilt motor, all the heat exchangers, exhaust, look like they've done no mileage at all. Everything appears to have been put together very, very nicely. And when you drive it, it drives as well as any 2.4 you're ever likely to sit in. It really does run nicely. Kidney bowls have been replaced, but the sills appear to be original, as do the floor pans. Just look how crisp the joint is along the sill to the floor pan. And it's the same at the front. The tank support panel, which is often corroded where the torsion bars there fit, that appears to be original as well and untouched. And it's again the factory seams that give that game away. This has been a good car, in my opinion, for the majority of its life. It hasn't suffered, and that's sort of supported by the mileage. So look how nice the seam is between the sill and the floor. All what look like new Michelin tyres. Inside we've got the Recaro seats, which factory option without head restraints. On the left there's a little bit of trim missing off the door pocket. Original dash, original music, which does work, although not particularly brilliant. Original carpets. Headliner has been replaced and done very nicely. But this is a car that it's all to do with its 3 owners, all to do with its 58,000 miles, and everything supports that. I mean, the original carpet on the right hand side's got a bit of wear on it. You'd expect that, and that's sort of nice to see. It helps support the whole story, and the same on the floor mat. All the instruments are lovely.